Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Clutch, and today we're going to do a resin pouring on this very cool shaped and textured vase. I've cleaned my vase with rubbing alcohol, and now I'm going to just start pouring. I have a couple of silicone cups that I'm able to raise this up with. And I'm just going to raise the canvas with water bottle caps. And that is just so that stuff can drip off and it's no big deal. I'm not sure I have enough resin mixed, but I think it'll be okay. I have 6 ounces. It's a very thin layer that goes on the vase. So we'll give it a shot. I'm going to put some white on here first. And then, because I seem to have more purple, I'm going to go with that. I did not add any opaque other colors on this one. So I just want to see how it turns out. And if it's not running somewhere, I will help it. Okay, and I'm going to very consciously go around here with the white just so it gets the resin flowing on all of the ridges, because sometimes that doesn't happen. Looks like it's doing pretty good over here, but on my side it's a little bit less. And I was going for something subtle, so I think I've accomplished that. Okay, so I'm going to help it a little bit here. It's got a little bit of a jellyfish look to it, actually, at the moment. So resin will run where resin is. So let's make that happen, help it along. It's just like when you do the edge of a coaster or anything else, it's hard sometimes to get it to the edge, so you just have to help it a little bit. Probably going to need more, because this is the last of my white. So I'm going to just pour the rest of these colors on, and then I will do 6 more ounces. I do love the way it is looking on the canvas. Looks really pretty. I have more resin mixed, and I'm going to reserve about half of it to stay white. These colors are gorgeous. This is still running, so we're fine. We're going to do an opaque lime green, just to add an opaque color in there for the fun of it. So now if something is not getting covered, and I do have some spots, I'm going to just put a little white on there to make sure that it does get covered. Okay, look at that. How pretty is that? I'm going to just take my finger and go underneath there, so we have it, all the drips off, and then we also have a sealed edge. I do have some left over of the green that I will put on the edges too. This is to make sure that I can get the resin to actually move over there properly. Just remember, art is ever fluid. These colors are so pretty together. I was a little worried about the green, but I knew it needed something. I'm going to move this to the side, even though there's still stuff coming off. You just want to come back every so often and just make sure that you don't have like a big old drip that's going to live on the end of your vase. But you can clean that up later if you need to, but it's just easier if you do it now. Okay, I'm going to pick it up and move it. Can continue to drip over there. And now look at these pretty colors. I'm going to just move this around a little bit to try to help that middle get covered. Come on, middle. Look at those beautiful colors. I'm going to put some of that in there because I feel like things are starting to set up a little bit. middle's covered. That's good. Okay, I'm going to do this again over here. Put this here, just a little bit, little dot here, little dot there. So close, come on. You got it. I'm gonna put this on. I didn't plan this very well. I'm gonna put it on a couple of cups here. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna first off take my finger and go along the edges so everything is nice and covered. So we don't have all of a sudden something showing the canvas. So one of my favorite all-time molds is this jar mold. And if you've seen me do the tooth fairy jars, this is the mold that I used, and I hate to leave resin to waste, so let's just make a jar with the rest of it. I'm just scooping up this excess. Might be a muddy mess, it doesn't matter, it's still a cool jar. And this won't fill up the entire jar, so next project I'll throw a little bit more in there too. Here's the big reveal. Here's the vase. You can see the blue and the green in there. You can't really see very much of the purple, but it looks like blown glass. It's really pretty, except you can see the purple where I accidentally, I don't know what I did there. I must have hit it or something with some of the purple. But here's that. Here's the canvas. The problem with me showing it to you is you can see everything else reflected in there. So we're going to get up close and personal this way so you can see it. I absolutely love the colors of the canvas, and I love how it turned out. It's a very coastal, beachy feel to me. Love it, love it, love it. Super fun project, and I think you should try it. If you're new to resin, you should definitely grab my free guide. It's called Resin Revolution. Gives you all of the basics, and it's free to anybody that wants it, so go ahead and grab it. I have the link down in the description. If you've never tried resin, if you're new to resin, or even if you've been doing it for a while, it's a great guide. So go check it out. Go grab your copy. Be sure to let me know what you think of these two, and if you like this project, be sure to check out this one because I know you're going to love that one too. So remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and I will see you over there.